In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Instax Mini 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Resetting your Instax Mini 9 or any other model of Instax is simple. So, in general, these models have a button that allows you to reset them. Sadly, for whatever reason, this isn't the case for the Instax Mini 9. So if you encounter any problems related to lights blinking, it not working, or anything similar, then to perform a reset, what is recommended in the official manual is to remove and replace the batteries. So as you can see, what they have to say according to the official manual is that if the camera malfunctions, remove the batteries while the power is on and then reinsert them to reset the camera. So while the camera is powered on and you see the LEDs lit up, open the battery compartment and remove them. With the batteries removed, you can insert them again. I would recommend purchasing high-quality alkaline batteries, but of course, if you only have access to the ones that shipped with your Instax Mini 9, you can try reinserting them and see if it works. So this can help clear up any sort of temporary glitch that you might be encountering. Like I said before, it is highly recommended to purchase high-quality replacement batteries. The ones that ship with devices like these can go out or can go bad very quickly. And if you are encountering problems like light blinking, the camera not working, or anything similar, it could actually be associated to the batteries. So by giving it clean, high quality power, you will be able to properly treat it. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.